Yeah. See, this is a long pending issue, and it's been there for a very long time. The financial implications are huge, you're running into hundreds of crores. And therefore, it's not a decision that one can take, especially with the COVID situation we faced, a lot of financial challenges we faced. So, keeping all of these factors in mind, the financial implication and the financial challenges is what affects. Not only that, it affects multiple sectors. So we cannot just simply say that we'll take one decision here and expect that it will not have a multiplier effect in other sectors also. So all those aspects have to be looked into, and therefore it is not a simple decision to be taken because of the impact that is had financially. As I said, it's not a matter of 1 or 2 crores. It's hundreds and hundreds of crores with just one decision that we take. So these are the challenges that we face at this point in time. And obviously, I have met them a number of times before, if you recall, in the previous years. And we had the similar and the same discussion that time. I strongly feel that we would like to see something concrete coming up and work out. They've asked the department to look into all the options and what will the way forward. They're preparing some things and they'll be bringing it. I'm told that they have prepared and they've brought it to me. Once I have a meeting with all of the officials and see what the options are, call the finance department and discuss about the financials, see how we can move forward. I will be calling them for discussion and figuring out how to move forward in this.